Hello, viewers. Welcome back to my channel, Easy Food and Adventure. Guess what? Yes, a big, huge Tasmanian salmon fillet. Oh, this is about half a kilo. So, what I'm gonna cook today? I'm gonna make a salmon fillet deep fry. A crunchy, crispy salmon fry. So, let me make them nice pieces. So that's quite big. So I'm gonna cut them a little tiny pieces. So let me cut them. So I'm trying to keep the skin with the meat together. So there you go. This is a nice piece. Delicious. The next one. There you go. Here we got some skin as well. Trust me, the skin is really, really crispy once you've done the deep fries. So the other half. So I'm gonna cut it this one as well. Here you go. One. Oh, look at that color. Oh, trust me, the Tasmanian salmon is one of the best salmon in the world. So this is really, really awesome. So now this one I'm gonna cut one more piece. So I just leave the middle bone. Yep, that's the bone. So I keep some flesh as well with that. So unfortunately I can't keep any more skin with this, but should be alright. Now, there you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beautiful pieces. So now I'm gonna wash it. So here you go. After wash, I'm gonna add some ingredients to marinate. So here we got lime, salt, ginger and garlic paste, and that's tandoori chicken masala. So that's yogurt. And soy sauce. So let's mix all the ingredients together. So first, ginger and garlic paste, salt, tandoori chicken masala. That's really good. That will give you a little bit of spicy and flavor. So that's nice. Now add the lime. You can use lemon as well, up to you, doesn't matter. So lime. So soy sauce, in supermarket you will get 2 types soy sauce, so many different type actually. So that's a bit thicker one, so I'm gonna use a little bit so that, there you go. Yep, beautiful. Now yogurt. I got some beautiful Tasmanian yogurt as well, which is come from Tama Valley. So that's really great yogurt. So Tasmanian yogurt is a famous yogurt in Australia. So here you go. Now I have to mix. Just stir it nicely. Hey, that looks awesome. That's beautiful actually. So now I'm gonna leave it for half an hour to marinate. So leave it for half an hour and see you right back. Now here I got some corn flour. I add some cumin powder with this corn flour. Now I'm just take the salmon fillet, and just turn around everywhere. So there you go. So now I put the fish into the pan where the oil is ready to burn the fish. Here we go. That's it. So I'm gonna fry them. So just to make them brown color, fry until it's that's perfect. So this is really great color now. So this green is perfect. So let them fry, and I will make a dish just a simple for myself. So I'm telling you, it's not a restaurant. So this is my dish now ready. I will add some lemon, some creamy, and here is the crispy, crunchy salmon fry. So if you like my recipe, let me know how it is, and I will see you soon.